Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2014 Mazda 2 1.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the engine oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is an extra large water pump plier, flat tip screwdriver, a universal oil pan drain plug remover, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, oil filter wrench cup type, a funnel, and my oil drain pan. Okay, first I'm going to be opening up the oil filler cap. It's stuck, so with my plier I'm just going to crack it open. Okay. Right after this, I put my funnel in. Okay, I jacked up the car. We're underneath the vehicle, so now I'm going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. So we're draining out the oil. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting back the oil drain plug. Tighten it up. Okay, so now we're going to be removing the engine oil filter. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. I'm going to be using Mobil 1 full synthetic oil, 0.20 weight, using a CarQuest oil filter, and a BG MOA engine oil treatment. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting some oil onto the gasket on the filter. Make sure there's no gasket stuck on the block. So we're going to be wiping the block. Putting the filter on. Okay, tightening it up. Okay. So I'm going to be adding 4 quarts of oil. So I'm going to be adding in one can of this BG MOA additive. Okay, I'm going to remove the funnel, and immediately I'm going to be putting on the oil filler cap. Make sure it's really tight as you can. You don't want this thing vibrating loose. Okay, so I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. Just run it for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. So we're going to be checking the oil level. Pull it out, wipe it down, stick it back in again, and pull it out. So you're good to go. It's full. So that's how you change oil and oil filter. If this is the first time watching my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Bye.